Welcome dear viewers to the topic on patents. This video is regarding patent parts and we should know these uh, parts of the patents. We should know what are patents whenever we are reading the patents or whenever we are working for some innovative techniques to have a patent on the technique. Patents can be formulation patent, process patent, or it may be a use patent. There are various types depending on to the field of innovation and the technology. But the basic structure of the patents remains same. Patent is a form of intellectual property. You can say it as IP, that is intellectual property, and it grants patent holder a exclusive right to an invention. And patents are made to prevent others from making, using, or selling the patented innovation or invention without permission of the innovator. So, patent gives the exclusive rights to the innovator and excludes other from making, using, or selling the patented technology. Patents parts are there. Patent has a title, abstract, background, summary, detailed description, claims, and drawings. So these are the basic parts of the patents. First of all, title is there. So title denotes the invention. The title of the patent should clearly indicate the invention. The title should be simple, concise, and descriptive. Helps in the identification of the invention, and title typically includes the invention's function or purpose. The example I can give, like oral liquid preparations of paracetamol, or oral soft gelatin capsules compositions for some drug, and the method of manufacturing for the same product or manufacturing thereof. So these type of titles you may uh, see when you go through the patents. So title should be simple, concise, and descriptive. Then comes the abstract, a brief summary of the invention. So abstract gives you highlights about the invention's key aspects and the uses. Abstract provides quick overview of the technical field and the invention's purpose. And abstract of the patent helps readers to quickly understand the nature of invention. For example, I have given the title liquid oral preparations for paracetamol and the manufacturing method thereof. Then abstract will give you the summary of the invention, that paracetamol is formulated in different formulations, and the current patent is for oral liquid preparation with improved taste or palatability or for faster action. So this type of information is given in abstract. Then comes the background of the invention. This section provides context and the prior art. Describe existing problems or challenges in the relevant field, shows why the new invention is necessary and what problem is it solves. References provides references previous technologies if any. So the example is like oral liquid preparations of paracetamol. Uh, the existing problems and challenges were to mask the taste and have the immediate action. And for example, if the patent is for technology for palatability improvement and making it faster in action, then it will describe the background of invention and how this patent and technology is going to solve the problem. Then summary of the invention. The summary offers a high level explanation of the invention. It summarizes the technical solution provided by the invention. should be clear, concise, and cover all major components of the invention. And summary of the invention typically contains few paragraphs. So summary is a higher level explanation for the invention. Then comes the detailed description. Detailed description section provides in-depth explanation of the invention, describes how the invention works, including components, materials, and operations. Description often refers to drawings or diagrams to clarify the explanation, and it includes examples and specific embodiments of the invention. So, detailed description is the biggest part, you can say, for the explanation of the invention. Claims. So, it is very important part of the patents. Claims define the legal scope of the patent's protection. For example, as we have taken example of oral liquid preparation of paracetamol. So the claim may be for the particle size or for the specific percentage of API in the formulation or for a specific sweetener or flavorant or specific for the viscosity ingredient. So it gives you the legal scope of the patent protection and denotes to the viewer or reader that this type of information is claimed. So claims are most important part of the patent because they specify what the innovator has exclusive right to. For example, particle size is patented, then you cannot take that particle size API and make the formulation. It includes independent claims and dependent claims. So independent claims are general and dependent claims are specific details. Independent claims are standalone claims and dependent claims are referred to the independent claims. Or you can say independent claims, reference of the independent claims are given. So independent claims are in general, standalone, and dependent claims are specific in details. Each claim should be clearer and precise. So whatever is critical to the invention, that is generally claimed in the patent claims. For example, like you find that particle size affects the dissolution and particle size is related to the faster onset of action, then particle size will be claimed. Then comes the drawings. So any figures and drawings, visual representations of the invention. These drawings illustrate the key components, operations, and structural details. For example, if you have uh, claimed a specific dissolution profile, then in drawings that dissolution profile can be given that in 5 minutes this much dissolution can be obtained by this particle size or the other details. Drawings are essential for better understanding of the invention and specifically in complex fields. So designs are there, drawings are there, and not all patents require drawings, but they are common for invention with physical components. So drawings, as such, it is not a must criteria, but drawing can help you to illustrate the components. The role of claims in the patents. Claims are the foundation of the patent rights. There are two types of claims, as I have mentioned earlier, that independent claims and the dependent claims. So independent claims define the invention in broad terms, and dependent claims narrow down the scope of invention by adding specific details or variations. So if I take an example of paracetamol particle size, independent claim will be the D90 of, let's say, 50 micron to 80 micron, and then dependent claims will further narrow it down to some particle size ranges including the 3-tier PSD or D90 of the narrower range. So this is the information for claims. Coming to the importance of detailed description. So detailed description is very important for providing enough information to enable others to understand and reproduce the invention. Description is for ensuring the invention is adequately protected by providing the clear and complete details. So once you provide the description, it will be very easy to understand the claims. Then patent drawings and diagrams. So drawings and diagrams play a vital role in explaining the invention. Patent drawings must be clear, labeled, and to scale. Illustrations can show how parts of the invention fit together and how these operate. So understanding the patent and patent part is very important for the pharmaceutical professionals mainly, because inventions are made by the manufacturer or researchers, and if the patents are made, then it becomes a right of the innovator company or innovator or researchers to operate their technology. Understanding the parts of the patent is essential for innovators who want to protect their inventions. Patent attorneys and professionals who draft the patents and ensuring the patents are comprehensive and enforceable. So patent understanding is very much important in the pharmaceutical field, and for the researchers who are working onto some non-infringing type of formulations or some hybrid type of applications. Also, it is very important to understand by IP professionals, legal professional peoples, and regulatory affairs peoples, and all the professionals who are dealing with this uh, information or who are related to this type of work. Patent is given to the researchers because huge investment is required, huge cost is required for innovation and for developing any technology. So the law provide a right to have a patent onto the new technology and exclude others from using that technology. So this is the information regarding patents and the patent parts. If you have any queries and questions, please feel free to ask me and I will try to answer your questions. Thank you for watching the video.